Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to add or remove ZEE5 movies and shows from home screen and recommendations. Method 1. Go to home screen, then go down and select manage services. Here you can see list of services. From this list, let me find ZEE5. See, if you want to show movies and shows from this ZEE5 app in home screen and recommendations, you can enable this option like this. If you don't want to show, you can disable. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to home screen, then from top right corner select all settings, then go down, select accounts and profiles, select account, then select your services. Here you can see same list of services. Then go down, see here you can enable or disable it. This is a method 2. These are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.